In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a score assessment in Tally.So. If you want to build a form that automatically calculates scores for quizzes, evaluations, or assessments, then this tutorial will guide you through the complete process in Tally.So. Whether you are creating a simple knowledge test, a customer evaluation form, or an online assessment for students or team members, Tally.So makes the setup process straightforward and easy to manage. To get started, open your browser and go to the Tally.So website. If you are new to the platform, you'll first need to create an account by following the instructions shown on the screen. The registration process is simple and only takes a few moments to complete. If you already have an account, simply sign in using your existing login details so you can access your dashboard and saved forms. Once you are logged in, begin creating your form by selecting the option to start a new form. At this stage, you can either choose a blank form if you want complete control over the design, or you can use one of the available templates to speed up the process and get inspiration for your layout. After opening your form editor, start adding the questions you want to include in your assessment. Tally.So allows you to choose from different question formats, including multiple choice, drop-down selections, short answers, and long answers. Multiple choice and drop-down questions are especially useful for assessments because they allow you to define specific answers and attach scores to them. Short and long answer questions, on the other hand, are ideal when you want participants to provide more detailed responses. If your goal is to calculate scores automatically, you'll need to assign points to the correct or preferred answers. For questions that use predefined answer choices, carefully allocate points based on your scoring criteria. This setup helps the form calculate totals accurately once participants submit their responses. Next, head over to the form settings and locate the scoring section. This is where you can fully enable scoring for the form and manage how points are assigned throughout the assessment. You can also define the maximum possible score so respondents have a clear performance benchmark. When everything is ready, share your form by opening the sharing options and copying the generated link. You can send this link through email, social media, messaging platforms, or even embed the form directly on your website if needed. As responses begin coming in, you can monitor performance using Tally.So's built-in analytics tools, allowing you to review results and gain useful insights from the collected data. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.